Hi friends, welcome back. So today I had an issue in my Pop OS. So the operating system that I've been using, they're releasing their Cosmic Edition, like Cosmic Desktop, soon. Pop 21.04. So like I got the update. I'm using the beta version. So over here I had the update, and while I do update this, I had some issues. As you can see here, this issue saying that the genome extension, this one. So I found the fix, and what should I do? So I couldn't update this using my pop shop. Now let's see how we can do that. First we just have to open the terminal. Okay, so with the terminal open, what I have to do is like type a command sudo apt full upgrade and enter the password, and that's it. Actually this fixes the issue. And also along with that, after this we will get the new pop dock pop-up. Like when you just boot the thing, it will ask which dock, like which kind of dock you should choose, and other options. So let's wait for this update to complete. Okay, now the update is over. So like next, let's just check if there is any other updates pending, and we'll just reboot the system. So okay, there isn't anything, so let's reboot the system then. Okay, so I just put it back into my system, and you can see this welcome screen over here, and let's go through. So it's asking me three options, like whether should I have a dock or not. So I just want my dock to be like not extended. Okay, then next, show workspace button. Nah, I don't think I need it. Oh yeah, okay, it's on the top, this one. Yeah, I do need both of them, and the date and time to be the center. Next, and open and switch applications from launcher. Yeah, sure, why not. Okay, and this is the cool feature where I can actually use the gestures for easy navigation. Out of the box, it supports out of the box without need of installing anything, which is a good thing. So let's go with next. That's it, done. Here I fixed the issue, and I believe they will just release the whole update by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, within 3 days. Let's look forward to that. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video and if you solve the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.